I think you won.
I'll take the small victories. All right, new day in the shop, same old project. We're back on the 49 rollback. So I told you guys it wasn't leaving until it runs and drives, and that's what we're gonna do. We've worked on Jace's Dakota a little and some other stuff a little, but the truck is still in here. It's still gonna get worked on. Today's list of stuff. Gotta make it hold water. We need a radiator hose on the bottom. The top one I built the other day. Didn't show you, but I built it. And we got a pipe intercooler on that side to the bottom. And then run some fuel lines. We got headache rack and cab stacks to deal with. And a list of a whole bunch of other stuff. But we'll get some of it done today and we'll show you. So let's get going.
We got some airbags to add to the back of this. It's gonna be heavy. Probably even with just the bed on. And then when you load something, it's gonna squat. So we don't like squatting trucks, so we're gonna bolt these airbags on. We'll unbox this real quick and it'll be easy.
Oh yeah. Just like, that's kind of cheesy, but okay. I can deal with that.
So we bolt the frames all together and
poke them in there and bolt them in. Just like that. We weld that onto there, it pipes over, and we'll have her plumbed in no time. I gotta cut that out though. Put that down there.
That's how they're gonna look. I will tighten all the bolts up and we'll get on the other side. Get them both done. If I tighten that air fitting in and this U-bolt on the bottom, that's pretty easy kit. Yeah, that's sweet. That wasn't bad.
No, not at all.
Sweet.
All right, I came back from getting some waters at the store. Look what I find. This guy down here, he's just working. Sean, he's been cracking the whip on it.
I mean, he's seen you pull up and jumped under there.
So Sean had it all done. Hunter just wanted me to think he was working. I see how it is. Oh, these guys are killing it. We're getting there. We're getting some stuff done. So this is gonna roll right in here. I'm gonna weld it on, something of that nature now. And then turbo will be piped all the way. So I'm gonna get that done real quick. Right there, basically.
You know the angle.
Pretty close. I'm gonna tack it. I'm gonna tack that on some angle about like that, and hopefully, Hunter, I'm gonna need your assistance on this one. Hold that right there. Right there, like that. Okay. Dude, it's gonna weld good today.
Oh yeah, you're feeling it?
Come over here. Come on.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I cleaned it. I took extra time.
Yeah, you just pried it up.
Hey!
It's still there.
You can't win them all, Hunter. Nope. It's exactly backwards.
You need to be off the other way.
Need to be offset the other way. That's why it's welding so good, because I did it wrong. Now we'll never get it to weld again ever. It'll just be
One chance.
one chance, one opportunity. Never.
Who's that, huh?
Only the greatest vanilla chocolate rapper ever. All right, Huntress. That's that way, right?
Yeah, it was towards the.
Okay. You give her a hold. Hold it right there. Hunter, you gotta put the ground on, dude.
That would help. Still welding pretty good.
Still gonna be fine. Still gonna be fine. That's it.
That looks good.
That's it. Cool. That's gonna work. We'll just weld this in and we'll be done. All right, she is welded. One of my better, I mean, not good, but better welding jobs. So I'll get it put in here and we'll have some intercooler stuff. I may have to weld a couple more pipes, but we'll see what we got. Just doing some everyday normal heating of the hose. Just trying to make it fit where it's not wanting to real bad. May have singed my arm hairs a little bit accidentally.
A lot of it.
That's more of a trimming than a singeing. I was just keeping them in check. Need me to do your eyebrows for you?
I'm good.
Trying to get radiator hose on, and then we can build the bottom. Right now, it's currently just in the way of everything. I'm gonna go ahead and just put these on because I feel like that's hot right now. All right, I'm going in. Oh, look, you can't even get there from here. That's fun.
I think you won.
I'll take the small victories. Because if that is up there, ooh, I mean, it would just be band right in the middle. I just turned that around and it's exactly the same, in case you were wondering. That's perfectly in the middle. Nope. Well, we ruined that. Same size. I think that'll probably work, right?
Gosh dang it. That's your fault.
Learned that lesson.
It's Sean's fault.
I'm blaming Sean.
Never be afraid of striking out, they say.
That's right. If you don't ever swing, you never hit the ball, my friend. That long enough? That's not long enough. But that's what it needs to be right there. Come down through here. Let's get a clamp on this radiator. That's never gonna clamp far enough. Okay. Oh, I pulled that off. That's not good. Oh, I put it back on.
Nice work.
I'm tired now, Hunter. Did you see that?
I heard it. I heard a few
It
bounces.
hit there, hit the jack, hit Jason's truck and went in.
Oh, shoot.
That was a victory. At least that went right for me today.
Snuggish.
Yeah, I think we may have to shorten that pipe up there a little. See, once it slips in, it's probably like exactly once it slips in. That's cool. Exhaust
Makes
is.
exhaust easy.
Hello. I just went two different ways with my voice, Hunter. It's pretty good.
Kind of like the flame earlier.
Oh,
When
that
it came out
flame,
the
man, that
bottom.
like singed up my hair. Is perfect.
Oh, smash it a little.
There's some stuff to do as of yet to get it. I'm gonna have to come down and then over. I'm gonna tack all this together and then we'll build.
Disgusting over there. Yeah, rather hand on.
Oh, I didn't even know that was there.
This is painful to watch.
A little bit.
It makes you laugh, Paul, if I did a firecracker and stuck it in.
I'm about to swear. They're about to get their first Fab Rats swearing.
Well, Hunter's already done the first Fab Rats swearing.
Hunter did?
I say a swear word and then you
They
guys
don't
leave
say
it
bad
in.
things about me if I cuss.
Right?
No, 'cause
You're old, okay?
Yeah, you've gotten to the point.
You're old. You
You've
can't.
gotten to the point where it's okay, Grandma.
It's okay.
You're
Yep.
past the age where you can say whatever the
They
frick you
just
want,
say, oh, she's old.
and nobody cares.
This is true.
I don't call Michelle mom. I'm disrespectful.
I know. I
Let
thought
alone
that was
swearing.
We're just putting a ring around this so that the turbo won't blow it off. This Amazon thing's working pretty good, really.
Hasn't even stripped out yet.
No, and it usually has this little cranker handle, but it didn't work with this, so I went this. That's a win, basically. All right, there's that. Now the question is, oh yeah, this is good. This has taken me literally all day. I'm sorry, but we had big plans to get a lot of stuff done. This has kicked my butt.
That's a good word, huh, Hunter?
Yep.
Better than what Hunter said.
Okay, now.
Does Hunter swear?
I was just saying, okay? Grandma Lolly had me in the mood to just let it out.
What did Grandma do to you?
He was just there.
I'm not gonna lie, Grandma Lolly will put you in the mood to do that sometimes.
Right?
All to get a little turbo air down. Grace, does that look straight? I know it. Let's see if it fits. That's the wrong way. That's the right way. Alright. That goes in there, and twists, and pushes in there. And that goes up there. I like it. It's gonna work. Ooh yeah. I'm gonna go weld this thing up. All right, it's morning. I already cut my thumb open this morning. Just how it works. So we're gonna get after this thing again today. We're gonna get the brakes bled up, and I don't know what else. We're getting close though. Oh, battery box. We're gonna get it mounted right here, so we can get some cables on it and get this thing to start and run. Hopefully, so something like this. Weld a piece down that'll tie into that, and maybe weld a flat piece off the frame right here that this sits on. Something like that. Mount her in there. I mean, it's just batteries. If it's tied in right there and it's sitting on that, there won't be anything up here that needs to tie in. It'll be fine. That'll be good. I'd set it back away from this a little so you can get the top on and off easy. But that should work. And then we can set the air compressor behind right there on that side probably, and mount the tank on the inside the frame. Then we can get airbags plumbed and exhaust brake plumbed. And I'll run and get fittings for this. We'll see if we can't get fuel to it today.
That'd be sweet. We'll round up some angle iron.
There he goes.
That should work, right?
Should. So the angle iron goes where now?
If we weld it in, it'll set on that.
Yep.
Put that piece you found, weld the back in. It'll be permanent. Heck yeah. Let's go cut that strap. And then we can get mocking it up a little bit. 12 will get us what we need. Yeah, a little rough, a little pained off, and we're good to go. That's not bad.
It's like level.
We could have just said that.
That is level.
Would have been good.
Oh, I was doing some burnout.
Think your Jeep will run that good?
No.
When we get it done?
Oh, with a 5.3?
Yeah,
Maybe.
that'd be pretty cool.
I didn't find the right stuff, but I found the right enough stuff, I think. So
It'll plumb.
yeah, we're gonna have to find the right ones later on so they don't look like crap, but it'll plug the holes. When you live in the sticks, you just have to kind of do. Oh, I forgot those ones.
The small ones?
Should have wrote a list down, Hunter. Alright, I'm going up. That one's my fuel outlet. We're getting somewhere today. Oh, look who came to the shop.
Hey, I brought a gift for you guys from Chad's Fab.
Ooh.
You guys get your own little son of a. That's gonna be a dirty one.
That one's Hunter's.
Say I'll take
Your own little Gonzo shirts.
Really?
So Gonzo is the truck that we gave Chad, and if you guys want your own shirt, you can go to chadsfab.com.
They're pretty sweet shirts.
I like them.
All right, we got all these fittings put in. Oh, that's a little snuggish. Let's see it. All right, we'll have to build some sort of a holder device that kind of holds that up in that area. Cut that off. So basically what this does is it ties both these fuel tanks together. So I only have to run one sending unit. I'm gonna run my fuel line's gonna come out of here. It's going to return into here. So this is one big fuel tank now. So it's all gonna work out pretty fair. Something of that nature. With it tied up into here, we'll build a little clamp or something that holds it there, and that'll keep fuel in both sides. I'll have 86 gallons to to mess with, so it'll be good. Let's let down put a battery in it and see what it looks like.
Okay.
All right, so we are running a Barnes dual battery box right here. Set the old Optimas right there, and then that. I believe they go like that. How does that work?
You didn't change the angle of it, flipping it.
No, well it did, it narrowed it. We're gonna have to modify this Barnes top. All right, we gotta build a top, but not today. That's about all we're gonna get done for today, I think. We got some other projects that have to happen, so I think that's all we're getting done today, so thanks for watching.